How to copy text from Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Instagram application on your device. Select the post from where you want to copy text from. You cannot directly copy from the Instagram application itself, so go ahead and firstly take a screenshot of that particular post. Go to your home screen and make sure you are updated to the latest version of iOS. An updated version of iOS allows you to copy text from an image. So open Photos on your iPhone and select the picture we just took screenshot of. Tap hold on the text there. You will see the option for copy. Tap on that, and with this you will be able to copy the text from that particular picture. You can go ahead and paste the text any way you want. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.